for this week, we have a couple of changes. So it starts off the same. We just go into our home screen and we'll click on week 3. But here is the different part. So I had a mom from one of my kindergarten classes give me this suggestion and I loved it. She said it would be easier to put them by day instead of by a whole week. So now we have Mondays all right here, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So what makes this easier is when you're done with Monday, you can just collapse it and just get rid of it so it's not in the way. So you don't have to sit and scroll to find what you're doing. And now I also added something else, which a lot of you had this question, was you were wondering if there was a way that you can see which assignments you finished. Well, there is, and I figured it out. So let's say you go into your math lesson and you do the Nearpod, your student finishes it. Well, then they click on mark as done. So then it's done. So then we'll come back to home and we'll go back to week 3 and then it will show me I did my math lesson for Monday, March 30th. It's all done. And so for Monday, the rest I have to do is letter practice, scavenger hunt, and Heggerty. So again, how you click how you finished it, that it's done, is you go into the assignment, you finish the assignment, and then you mark it as done. So it's just easy way for you to know what's done and what still needs to be worked on. So those are the new changes for week 3. Hopefully they make your time on Canvas a little bit easier. I think they will, and I'm excited for the new changes.